A very warm day, everyone. This is you, Ashwini, addressing from SLV English Medium School, dealing with subject English of Class 3. Children, before we completed term 1, now we are going to a term 2. Okay, all of you? So, in our term 2, we have 3 lessons and 2 poems. Okay, children? We have 3 lessons and 2 poems. Now, what is our first lesson? Yes, the first lesson name is The Giant Panda. Okay? The Giant Panda. Okay, all of you? So, now we are going to a textual reading of The Giant Panda. First lesson is The Giant Panda. Okay, all of you? Get started. Can you name these animals? One of the animals is often incorrectly called a bear, but does not belong to the bear family at all. Can you spot it? There are 8 different types of bears on the planet. Bears live in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Okay? Giant pandas are found only in China. There are probably only about 1,000 giant pandas left in the world. What are giant pandas? Giant pandas are black and white Chinese bears. Female pandas are called sows, males are called boars, and baby pandas are called cubs. The panda is a symbol of peace in China. What do pandas look like? Pandas are large and have big heads and heavy bodies. Their ears are round and their tails are short. The Chinese call the panda the giant cat bear because they have cat-like eyes. Pandas have sharp eyes and can see very well. Giant pandas are mainly white. However, they have black patches around the eyes, ears, shoulders, chest, legs, and feet. They live in snowy and rocky places. Their black and white coloring helps them to hide from enemies. Pandas have very thick, oily, woolly fur that keeps them warm in the cool and wet mountains. How big are giant pandas? A full grown male panda can be about 6 feet tall and weigh up to 115 kilograms. Females are smaller. While many people think pandas are cuddly and sweet, they can be as dangerous as any other bears. How do pandas move? Pandas are good climbers. Sometimes they take an afternoon nap high up in the trees. They use their short claws to hold on to the bark of trees. Pandas cannot run fast. Meanings: sharp eyes, eyes which can see far and clearly. Cuddly, soft and lovable, making one want to hug them. Nap, short sleep. Section 2. What do pandas eat? In the wild, pandas only eat bamboo. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10 to 20 kilograms of bamboo every day. There are very few forests left today. So many wild pandas are short of food. Soon we may find that there are no pandas left in the world. In zoos and in other centers where they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice, cereal, carrots, apples, and sweet potatoes. The panda's front paws are not like the paws of other animals. They have a thumb. They use their paws to hold their food. That means bamboo, shoots, and leaves. How long do pandas live? Giant pandas live for about 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in captivity than in the wild. What sounds do pandas make? Pandas mostly keep silent. They bleat when they communicate in a friendly manner. They bark to scare away an enemy. When they are in pain, they squeal. Who are the panda's enemies? A giant panda has very few natural enemies. One of them is the snow leopard. It can catch a baby panda that has moved away from its mother. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that has been left in a tree. People hunt pandas for their fur. People also cut down the bamboo forests they live in. So, pandas have no place to live and wander into nearby villages in search of food. Some meanings is there. Are short of food, meaning do not get enough food. In captivity, here not living in the wild but in zoos, etc. Bleat, meaning make a sound like that of a sheep. Squeal, meaning make a long high pitched sound.